Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a full day test wear on the brand new Tarte Shape Tape Cloud Coverage Foundation. I ordered this off of QVC and I'm excited. I'm really looking forward to trying it out. We're going to see what it's all about. So we're going to go into the details, and of course we're going to wear it all day to see if it's worth it. I feel like with Tarte sometimes it's like a hit or miss with their foundations. I don't have like a Tarte foundation that I love, so hopefully we love this one. We're gonna go ahead and try it. If you guys are new to my channel, make sure you subscribe before you leave because it is free $99. And if you're back, thank you for being here. So with that said, you already know, grab your cafecito, get cozy, get comfy, or grab your brushes, and let's go ahead and get started. If you're new to my channel, let me give you a quick little run through of my skin. So I am oily. I want to say combination, but right now my skin is so oily. I have, my T-zone is my main issue. I have large pores. I suffer from blackheads because of having such oily skin. And then the rest of my face is pretty normal, but I want to consider myself just oily skin, okay? I do have some texture going on right now. I don't know what is going on with my skin, but I have so many little like red spots. Do you guys see that? Right here. My skin is just not cooperating, so I think this is going to be the perfect time to test out this foundation. So like I mentioned, I did order this off of QVC. They had it on a pretty good deal. You got the foundation and then the brush for $39. You could also use a discount code, which I forgot at checkout, and then I realized that until afterwards. So $39, I still don't think that it's too bad. It is now available at Ulta. When I was on the Ulta app today, I saw it, and it's actually more expensive. I think the brush itself is like 20 or 30, plus the foundation on itself is like 20 or 30. So I am glad that I took advantage of that. So really quickly, let's see what the foundation claims to be. By the way, my shade is 35 Neutral. Medium neutral. I do have more of a neutral, slightly golden undertones. It says that it's a medium buildable coverage. It has a natural finish that looks like skin. Cloud 9 complex blend of hyaluronic acid, squalene, snow mushroom, avocado, prickly pear, aloe, licorice, vitamin E, and castor oil. So as we can see, it has tons of really good ingredients for our skin. So not only is it going to provide you that beautiful medium coverage to buildable full coverage, but it's also going to just layer the skin with beautiful ingredients. It's a bouncy cloud-like texture that smooths and blurs, and the best thing is that it contains a mineral SPF of 15 or SPF 15 sunscreen, which is amazing. I feel like especially now that spring is like right around the corner, which is crazy. Like I live in Texas, so for me literally it feels like it's hot all year round. So that is what the actual packaging looks like. She's cute. It's a little pump, which is nice. But then it has like the little squeezy tube at the end, and the shade looks like it's going to match me really nice. So I am definitely looking forward to that, and I am excited for the foundation brush. I love foundation brushes, but what I'm going to do is do one side with a foundation brush. I'm going to do one side with the foundation brush and then another side with a sponge. And this is what the brush looks like. This one is actually really nice. It's like a kabuki brush, but it's slanted. And I think that would be really nice to get underneath here. Before we apply the foundation, obviously we gotta prep the skin. I am going to double prime. I do that a lot because, again, I feel like I have like super oily skin in the center of my face. And then the rest is pretty normal. But yeah, I'm just going to apply my primer. PS, I am using the Paula's Choice Shine Stopper Primer. This one is so good. If you have extremely oily skin, like I really recommend that one. really do. For the rest of the face, I am going to use the Secured the Blur One Size Primer. And I'm just going to apply it on the rest of the face. The primers have been sitting on my skin for about a minute, so let's go directly and apply the foundation. I'm going to take a little bit on the back of my hand, and let's just do one pump. As you can see, it is pretty textured, like it's not moving really at all. And it feels very like whipped. I think it's gonna be a little too warm. I feel like Tarte foundations oxidize. So let's take the foundation brush. Okay. I'm gonna take some more. So far, it's blending out really nice. It's definitely medium coverage. It's not really covering up these little like red blemishes, but it's okay because it's buildable. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to apply this one layer and then we can come back and apply a second layer to see how well it builds up. I'm also going to take some to the eyelids. So that is what the foundation is looking like so far. It does have a very pretty like luminous finish. I'm going to take a little bit more and I'm just going to dot it right here and I'm going to build up my coverage to see how it looks. So that is a second layer. Honestly, the skin looks really beautiful. It doesn't feel heavy or thick, which is something that I really like. Now I'm going to go into this side and apply the rest of the other pump that I did. It is a lot, but it is very lightweight. And I'm going to use this little EcoTools sponge. We're just going to tap that in. So there we have it. This is how the foundation is looking like so far. It looks really nice on the skin. My pores don't look emphasized. The skin looks nice and soft. It looks a little bit dewy, but I don't look oily. Hopefully this lasts on me. I have a feeling this is going to be not a good foundation for oily skin, but we will see. I'm going to go ahead and do the rest of my makeup off camera, and then we're going to do a one check-in to see how it looks with all the products applied, and then I will go on about my day and I will do one final check-in towards the end, so make sure you guys stay tuned. She is back and we have our entire face done. Because this foundation is a little bit medium coverage, let's just call it that. I am going to wear very like minimal makeup and I'm not going anywhere today. I'm staying home, so I didn't want to go all out. I'm going to set half of my face and then I will leave half of my face not set, because I really want to see how this will perform with being set and then without being set with a setting spray. So I am going to take the Professional Super Setter. It is a long-lasting makeup setting spray and I really like it. And I'm going to use it on the side where we use the brush, since the brush is sold with the foundation. This is what we're looking like. It is currently 1:38. I will wear this for around 7 hours, 8 hours, and then hopefully the foundation stays put. It is currently 8:43 and I've been wearing this foundation since around 1:40-ish, so wow, I am so oily, you guys. So let's take a quick view and let's do a little recap. So if you remember, on my left side, this is a side where I actually set the skin using the Professional. On my right side, I did not set it, and I can definitely tell a difference. On my right side, I am super oily. Crazy. There's like pores are enlarged. The blush, the bronzer is still peeking through, but it's definitely like more intense on this side. My forehead is super oily and my eyebrows are actually like pretty much disappearing because I do use a brow wax setter, and wax and oil obviously do not mix. So I am definitely super duper oily. So what I really want to do is I want to take a little bit of this rice paper from Palladio. This is my favorite little blotting sheets, and we're gonna see how much we can actually take off. I personally don't really like this foundation. I'm going to tell you that right now. I wish I would have waited until Ulta released it, which is probably, I don't know, a few days ago. Because I don't know if I can return it. I think it came with a return label. That's I am that person that will return makeup if I don't like it. Sometimes it depends. Like when it was a pricier purchase, like something like this, it's like, for $40, I can buy myself something else that is way better. And I might do that. I don't know. I'm kind of bad at returning things, especially when it comes to mailing them back. So this is what the paper looks like. It is completely saturated on the back. I don't use the front side. This is like the, where it has like the rice thing, and on the back it is completely saturated, as you can see. It did mattify the skin, and it does still look okay. It didn't really like lift off anywhere, but for this amount of oil, no ma'am. I'm gonna go ahead and blot this side of my face. So this is the left side, and this is the right side. As you can see, right side is way more oily than the left side, but still too much oil for my personal liking. I just, no, for oily skin, I think this is going to be a pass. Also, this did oxidize quite a bit. So if you want to get it, if you're like dry skin, you're looking for something that's like a mix of like BB cream, CC creams, but with a little bit more coverage. If you're wanting something that has an SPF of 15, then I think this is something that you're going to like. I like the feel of the foundation, and it does originally wear really nicely, but for me that I'm oily, it's just not going to work out. So this is going to be a no for me. Definitely let me know your thoughts in the comment section down below. I love talking to you guys, commenting back, and just interacting with you, and just really talking about makeup. Like, hello, that is what I'm here for. So thank you guys so much for joining me. Thank you so much if you stayed around for this long. You are the true MVP. I love you all, and until next time, I will see you in my next video. Bye!